Today we're going to be replacing the actuator, camshaft actuator solenoid valve. I don't know why the name is so long on this part, but we're going to get right to it and get it replaced. We're going to start off by removing the induction system on here. We're going to remove this tubing here and do it from here. I'm going to do it from here on the throttle body. Just lift up on the induction, lift up it right here, pop it loose. Next we're going to remove this rocker cover under the oil filler cap. Lift up. We're going to be replacing the intake side. The front one's the intake. The rear is the exhaust. They have both different colors. I removed both flows just to point out how they different colors. The gray one's the intake, the black one's the exhaust. Like I said, we're going to replace the intake one. Just that one bolt down here that holds it on. After that, you can take a flathead screwdriver, put it right there, and just pull up on it. You just go back with the new one, follow the steps as you see me take it apart, and everything should be just fine. If the light's on, you may or may not have to bring it like to maybe an AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something like that, and get them just to turn your light off for you. I hope this video helped out, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.